Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your country in Minichat. First, open your browser and search for Turbo VPN on Google. Then go to their official website and download the VPN. Once it's downloaded, open it and install the app. After installing, launch it and wait for it to load. Then connect to any country you want and just minimize the app. Now open your browser again and switch to an incognito window. Then search for Minichat and open the website. Once it loads, you will see that your country has changed to the country you have connected through VPN. Now all you have to do is log into your account and start using it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.